Hey guys, Doug Rucker here with Pressure Cleaning School and DougRuckerStore.com. Hey, recently at the store we just completed an enclosed truck build. Some guys brought it over from Austin for us. Had a few challenges, had a few repairs that we had to do to it, but we made it, got it out and back on the road. And so just wanted to share some pictures, a little video of it for you, and see what we did. A real nice, clean, basic setup that's very easy to operate. And so, by the way, if you're interested in digging a little bit deeper and getting into this business and you need training, check out our online video school. Over 250 videos right now, just added 3 or 4 more, and it's a one-time lifetime membership fee. So be sure to check that out. Let's get to the truck build. So basically, when we got this truck, this is kind of what the inside of the bed looked like. Sorry for the quality of the pictures. These were taken with an Android device. But anyway, this is what the bed looked like. The wood box that you see far left up behind the seat, there's actually a generator underneath there. That cardboard box is a box that's got the generator in that they brought over for us to install the King Slinger. But you can just kind of see some of the things that needed to be done, some rust on the wheel wells, that line chase cover to the left. The battery, we kind of relocated it. We patched up some holes that were in the floor that had wiring going through it. This was some type of city vehicle that these guys had bought. Great vehicle, just need a little bit of work before we actually put the equipment in. So we talked them into letting us do all the repairs before we put the equipment in. Otherwise, eventually one day they would have to do it, and then they'd have to pull all the equipment out. So they made the right decision in letting us, spend a few extra days doing these repairs, patching up holes so exhaust fumes, things of that nature couldn't get inside the truck. And then we also actually replaced the whole flooring inside, put new flooring on it. You can see here how it looks kind of old and dingy. And then we put the real nice aluminum flooring down on it. Where it was existing, we pulled all that up and put down new floor, caulked all around the truck and sealed everything up. And of course, when we build these rigs, there's basically no way for bleach or water to get spilled in there unless they have a leak. But just wanted to give them the most protection that we possibly could, and it turned out really, really nice. And coming up is some video of it. Hey, stay tuned for some more tips, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell. That way you get the notifications every time I come out with a video. Hope this is being helpful for you. Most importantly, leave me a question, leave me a comment. Love to help you new guys getting started out in this industry and kind of get you pointed in the right direction. So subscribe, bell, question, comment. Thanks guys for watching. Next tips coming up. Hey guys, there's a video walk around coming up of the finished product, but just thought I'd give you a couple of more pictures kind of as we were building it. One of the things we do on enclosed trailers when we have this King Slinger air compressor, they need to be drained, pretty much every job. The barrels can get moisture in them, so you've got to drain the water out of them. So we actually plumb them so that it goes through the floorboard of the trailer, and we put a little toggle switch on there, a little two-way valve or whatever, so that all you have to do is just turn that, and then that water will go right down through the bottom of the floor to the concrete. That way you're not getting all that water inside your truck bed. So just thought I'd show you that, and the video is coming up now. Okay, on this enclosed trailer, we had Jared and Jacob brought this over from Austin, asked us to outfit a system for them. And so once we got it, there's a few repairs we had to do to it. Put in a new floor for them, did some other tire repairs, wheel repairs, wheel wells. Had a little bit of rust, so we did a little fixing up for them. But Jacob does quite a bit of car detailing, and he's also getting into the house washing and roof cleaning business over in Austin, Texas. And so we fixed him up with the King Slinger 10 gallon per minute pump with the GF valves, and I actually left him another valve here so that he could use that in the detailing business if he had specialty chemicals or soaps or whatever that he wanted to use. And then we've got a 5 gallon per minute electric start pressure washer, and it's all plumbed to an 85 gallon. This is a space-saving tank that we use. Actually use these on basically all my rigs. It's got the band down there to help keep them from swelling. And so we've got one for the water, and we've got one for the bleach tank. And like I said, they're both 85. Very nice, slim design, 85 gallons. And then we use these, made these for bolting them to trailers, trucks, that type of thing. And it's got the shirts box remote control system set up, so they can use the remote when they're downstreaming. General pump, surface cleaner, and then we of course have their hose over here that they can use to fill their bleach tank. And then we have the exhaust and the vent hose that goes down through the bottom of the truck, so they never have to open their bleach tank, and they'll never get spills inside the truck and things like that. So very space-saving design. That's their ladder. We just kind of put it there. There's actually a generator underneath that box. They're going to make a shelf out of that, and that's pretty much it. We've got, I'll walk around and show you the hose reel. We also, on this one, did a special thing I'll show you in a minute, but here is the hose reels. So we've got 200 feet of pressure hose. We've got the soft wash hose, which is down here. And then this will be the green hose for the Flexzilla garden hose. It's all right, Ed. Everybody knows we're working. Everybody knows it takes tools to put these together.
We got Raymond from Ray Wash.
And we got Raymond from Ray Wash, and he's always around. And then we also have the same ball valve setup they always put on any rig that I build. This way they have a garden hose here that they can use to fill 5 gallon buckets, wash their eyes out, rust a truck off, just anything that they need to use a little 25-foot hose. Spare 50-foot hose to put onto the garden hose reel if they need it. And that's pretty much the system. So how do you like it, Jacob?
Man, I love it. We're excited. Very excited.
I'm sure you're most excited about the wrap that we did for you. I mean,
that's the best part.
It just stands out.
That's the best part.
People see that for miles and automatically just start Googling and calling my numbers. So, awesome. And so, yeah, they're going to take it back and get it wrapped. So I thought I'd give them just kind of a little miniature wrap so they'd have something on there anyway. And so hope you guys enjoyed it. If you need a rig built, trailer rig built, enclosed, seems like that's all we've been doing lately, our enclosed rigs, give us a shout, DougRuckerStore.com, PressureCleaningschool.com. Thanks, Ray. Appreciate that little interruption there. So y'all have an awesome day.